Hey guys, in this video going over how to use solochance.org. This is the resource that I use to calculate, get a good idea of what are my chances of mining a block all to myself. Now, I'm running an Avalon Nano 3. I got a couple of these miners, and going over to my dashboard, I can see the hash rate that I'm getting is about 4.12 terahash. So you're going to need to know your hash rate to be able to calculate this. So going back over to solochance.org, let's say, for instance, I'm going to mine Bitcoin. So selecting that here, and then my hash rate was in terahash per second. So selecting that in this area, and then entering my hash rate as 4.12, and then I can calculate. And then when calculating, I can get an idea of my slim chances to mine a block of Bitcoin all to myself using my Avalon Nano 3. So I can see why this is often called lottery mining, because it's a relatively low chance here. If I had my Avalon Nano 3 running 24/7 for an entire year straight, the current chance of mining a block to myself is just 1 out of 3,605. So not that great. But if I did mine this block all to myself, it would be very lucrative. If the price at Bitcoin is 100,000 US dollars, for instance, and the reward for a block is 3.125 Bitcoin currently, that would be 3.125 times $100,000. So it would be over 300,000 that I would get if I was lucky enough to mine a block all to myself. Now, me personally, I like having a little bit better of a chance than this. So what I do is I mine Bitcoin Cash, and you can select your cryptocurrency right here, and then entering in the same information. I'm at 4.12 terahash per second. But when I calculate that, you can see my chances are a little bit better in this instance at 1 in 14. And I'm looking to up my hash rate. I just recently bought a device that mines at about 37 terahash per second, and adding that to my two Avalon Nano miners, that together at about 8 terahash per second. So if I add all that together, I'm at about 45 terahash per second. And if I calculate that, I go to a 1 in 1 chance. So if I run all of these 24/7 for an entire year, I'd have a pretty good chance at getting a block all to myself with Bitcoin Cash. And for that calculation, Bitcoin Cash right now is between about 400 to 500 US dollars. And again, if I get that block all to myself, it would be about 3.125, looking at about 1,500 or so dollars. So obviously not the same reward as if I was able to solo mine a block of Bitcoin. But for me, the odds on that aren't quite good enough to where I'd want to put my mining power towards Bitcoin. So I'm settling for Bitcoin Cash to have a bit better of a chance of mining that all to myself. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over the resource that I use over at solochance.org to calculate what my likelihood of mining a particular block is, entering my hash rate and the currency that I'm looking to mine. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll catch you back here next time.